could not load file or assembly RSY audio app streams wrapper.dll fix. If you're having this kind of issues, right? So we'll learn how to fix it. Now this issue is often associated with the Razer Synapse application. So we're going to run a couple of checks. But before that, open up your settings and just navigate towards Windows Update and check and ensure that you're using the latest version of Windows. If it has an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, simply open up a search bar and go to Control Panel. Once you go to Control Panel from here, under Programs, select Uninstall a program. Under Uninstall a program, just search for the Razer Synapse application, right-click on it and uninstall it, and reinstall the application again. Also check for updates within the Razer Synapse app, and after that, restart your computer and it should help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.